Welcome guys to a short Gala Games video. Today we'll be covering Townstar, how to place down your Express Depot. So as you can tell, this is gonna be my grape brush build. I'm gonna make a grape brush guide in the coming future. Maybe a little bit after this video you'll see the final product of the grape guide, but mainly today I wanted to teach you guys how to place down your Express Depot, because I know that whenever I started to record my grape brush guide, I had recently purchased my gold membership with Gala Games, and they give you a free Express Depot if you do that. And I noticed that I didn't know how to place it down when I first started. I had that regular trade depot that everybody starts out with, and I was sort of confused as to how you would place it down. But essentially you can't place it down anywhere that is not an edge or a corner, basically. So any corners are good to go. Anything else is just a waste of time, because he's not even going to let you place it on your inventory at all whatsoever. So find the corner that you like and then just press on your NFT pocket and click place. But this is not all that I'll show you in this video. I will also show you where you should place it, because even though you can place it in every single edge or corner, doesn't mean you should. So let's go to the actual world, and let's see how far I am from the city of Dallas. Alright, so from Dallas, I'm literally 4-5 blocks away. And that's good, because that means I'm very close to the city of Dallas. But some of you guys won't be. Some of you guys will be like over here or over here. And maybe some of you guys will be all the way on this side with, Dooneytown. And that's a problem, because that means you're really far away from your city. Unless you're going to this city. But let's say somebody like this guy. He's like, Twisted Speaker or, John Sant. It's like you guys are really far away from the actual city. So it'll take minutes for you to send in your crops. That's kind of wild. Like, look at this regular trade depot going for a mile away. Now I got lucky. I happened to be close, but this is a tip. Depending where you place your depot, you'll get better speed time. So let's see our sell time over here. My sell time over here is 22 seconds for the city of Dallas for one gas. Okay, if I pocket my Express Depot and place them over here and we look at the sell times, my sell times went from 22 seconds to 33 seconds. They added 10 whole seconds, just because I'm facing away from the city of Dallas. And that's kind of crazy. You wouldn't think that Gala Game would put that much detail into where you place your trade truck, but they do. So if I place it over here, it's 22 seconds over again. So it looks to me that this side, this top side, and this right side, they both seem pretty okay for me to place my Express Depot. But probably down here and over here, or anything on this edge or anything on this edge, would probably be around 30 seconds. So it wouldn't be wise to put them there. So make sure you test out where your Express Depot is gonna work best. Don't put your Express Depot next to buildings that require load time, because you'll mess up your load time. Now if I remove the Express Depot, my load time would probably get better. If it wasn't full, I would show you guys. But yeah, just make sure you figure that out and you should be good to go. It's really simple. Alright, well, that's all guys. Until next time, have a good one.